Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to show you my makeup routine. So this is my updated makeup look. So everyday makeup, glamorous, and then I hope you enjoy it. Please take a seat, relax, and let's get started. And I'm applying my Anastasia Beverly's pomade. So I apply that all over my brow to give it shape. And that's the product I've been using this for years, and it's been working for me a lot. So yeah, I still love this. So yeah, I'm just contouring, then I filling in the pomade inside and making the shape. After that, I just take my concealer, and this is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And why I cannot find this concealer anymore? I need to get back to the beauty supply store because I tried to find it, and especially the shade that I'm using is like the shade is Chestnut, and I usually do this to contour, you know, my brow, and also I use it as a concealer around my eye. So yeah, this is what's been my favorite since I started wearing makeup basically. So I'm still using it. I still have like two left, and then I will find a way to find another one. Then it's time for the foundation. So the foundation that I'm using is from Too Faced Born This Way Natural Finish Longwear Liquid Foundation, and this has been my favorite foundation. I've been looking for a favorite foundation. I'm so glad I found this one, and this is the one, like Born This Way from Too Faced. And the color that I'm using is like I think it's same, it's like chestnut. Let me double check. Yeah, the color I'm using for my foundation is tiramisu. It's deepest with golden undertones, and this is the Too Faced foundation, and this is gives me the most natural flawless finish. I love this foundation so much. I highly recommend it. So that's the foundation that I'm using right now. And then I'm using my new concealer that I bought from Shopper Drug Smart, and this is from L'Oreal Infaillible, and this is in the color, I believe it's chestnut. If not, I'm just going to put it on the screen. So if you notice, I don't use a beauty blender, so I use a regular brush. And if it's too bright, then I will just around the edges, I will just put my foundation brush just to blend everything out with. So that's what I'm doing. After that, I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder. So I got this as a free gift at Chopper Drug Smart when I bought a perfume, the Jimmy Choo perfume. So they gave me that little Laura Mercier setting powder, and I really do like this setting powder. I think it does make a difference in the makeup. Your makeup looks so professional and it's like photo ready. So I just apply this and in even quantity. I just apply this like in even quantity, so everything is like the same. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So I'm using this bright pink eyeshadow, and it's not really bright, but yeah, I'd like to use this combination and I'm almost out of it. So I use this with like a shadow brush. Maybe I can put the detail, and it's like some of it are from Morphe, and I feel like Morphe does really make good brushes. So yeah, I'm going to put every name on the screen. So yeah, I'm using the pink shade, and I'm using also the orange shade, so blending everything out so everything is seamless and good. Then I'm putting my lighter shade in the front, like in the middle of my eye, and basically this is like a soft look, so it's not really dramatic, but this is like the thing that I like to do every day. So this is like a full face of makeup. I'm like that, full face or nothing. I don't have to do like a like natural face. No, 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 it's going to be a full face, and then you will see. So I'm bending everything out. Okay, then I'm going in with like this eyeliner. So this is a random eyeliner that I got from shopping Miss A. This is a website, so shopmissa.ca or .com, I don't remember. So this is like a random eyeliner and it's pointed. So if you know how to do eyeliner, it will be really easy, and it's not really any brand really, so anything will work. Then I have this eyeliner that I put under my eye, and this one is like to highlight your bottom, the bottom of your eye, something like that. So yeah. So guys, this next mascara is from L'Oreal, and this is like the telescopic lift mascara. So it's for longer looking lashes, volume and up. So it gets you get a good length, and my lashes are natural lashes are pretty short, so this definitely help. And this is I bought it at the drugstore, and it works fabulous. It's so fabulous. So I like this mascara. Definitely help if you have shorter lashes like me. So now I'm just using my Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder, and this one just to dust everything out, and just to it's a all over face powder, so everything will be seamless and everything will look good. For contour, I use the Fenty Beauty, and this is a pretty good shade. And I'm applying that all over the area that I want to contour on my face. So for blush, I'm using this pink shade that I got from the website called shopmissy.ca. I don't really remember the brand, but it's good pink, gorgeous pink that shows well on my skin. So I just outline my lips with the MAC pencil in color Chestnut, and then I go in with this Maestro liquid matte lipstick from Armani Beauty, and this is supposed to be supposed to last really long, because it stays on your lips forever. And I can attest that sometimes it does, and sometimes it's really hard to get it off, but it's a good shade of lipstick to own, and it's black girl friendly and so beautiful on us. So that's the lipstick I'm using today. So then for lashes, I'm using these random lashes. Don't come for me because I forgot the name of those lashes. And yeah, this is like from AliExpress, I believe, or some store. So these are supposed to be like mink lashes. So that's what I'm using. It's already cut and fit into the shape of my eye, so everything fits perfectly. And I just apply the glue, and I wait a little bit, and then I just apply it. So if you ever need like a tutorial, maybe I will we do one. So it's basically simple, and yeah, cut it, apply it, cut it, apply it, and blow it, whatever. You know what I mean. So I just finished everything off with this next setting spray. This is the regular setting spray, and you see my face is flawless, like ready to, slay. And we slay today. So guys, this completes my look. Oh my god, your girl looking so fine with the curls and all. So yeah, this completes my look, my updated makeup look. And this is my everyday makeup routine. It's full face or nothing. So glamorous, right? Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Give me that.